Did you know that you could be getting a 3% cashback value on every single purchase you make with no annual fee? And no, you don't even have to be a Rogers customer to benefit. If you're a Canadian looking for a fantastic cashback credit card, the Rogers Red MasterCard is one you absolutely need to consider. Now, let's get straight to the numbers. The baseline for all cardholders is a solid 1% cash back on all eligible purchases in Canadian dollars. But here's where it gets interesting and where you can maximize your rewards. For starters, if you make purchases in US dollars, you automatically earn 2% cash back. So, if you're a cross-border shopper or you travel to the States, this card is already a winner. But the real magic happens for Rogers, Fido, or Shaw customers. If you have just one eligible service with them, whether it's a mobile plan, internet, or TV, your baseline cashback rate doubles to 2% on all Canadian dollar purchases. Now, let's talk about redemption, because this is where that 3% value comes in. When you redeem your cashback towards an eligible Rogers, Fido, or Shaw purchase, like a bill payment, a new phone, or accessories, your cashback gets a 1.5x boost. So that $100 you earned in cashback becomes $150 in value. When you combine the 2% base rate with the 1.5x bonus, you're effectively getting a 3% cashback value on your everyday spending. And that's what makes this card one of the best no annual fee cards out there. Plus, if you're a Rogers Mobile customer, the card comes with an extra bonus, 5 free roam-like home days every year. That can be a huge value for anyone who travels internationally. The key to maximizing this card is simple: have an eligible service, put all your spending on it, and then use your cashback to pay down your Rogers bill. It's a closed-loop system that can help you significantly lower or even eliminate your monthly telecom costs. But what if you aren't a Rogers customer and don't plan to be? Is the card still worth it? Yes. You still get the no annual fee, the 2% on US dollar purchases, and a baseline of 1% on everything else. While other cards might offer higher returns in specific categories like groceries or gas, the Rogers MasterCard's strength is its simplicity and flat rate across all spending. It's a great, simple card to have in your wallet for all those purchases that don't fit into other cards' bonus categories. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.